Gather up close, everybody.
Anna. Now we're going to go back, actually, I'm going to go back to the whananga because Mokena done a cool action
Yes.
the other day, which is something that's a bit it's a bit of a trend
Yeah.
in in teaching art.
And easy to envision.
With whananga, with relationships.
Aye.
So if you can imagine everybody, close your eyes and actually do it yourself. Hold both hands up above yourself. Oh no, yeah, in a circle. Hey.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Stick one tongue out. Stick your tongue out.
And then, do a head jiggle. Nah. Okay, that is a awe.
Kia ora.
Okay? So if you started over here, your shoulder length, and you went up like this, in a natural movement, and then brought your fingers together into a circle.
Ever so slightly.
There you go. And be comfortable and be one with yourself. Okay.
All is well.
That's all.
But I can see that.
So that's everybody on that level, whanaungatanga, and up is all. Okay? So tōku teina, tōku tuahine, tōku pāpā, tōku koraua, ōku tūpuna is all. Everybody from that level, yours even up.
I can see that because I start at shoulder height and everyone shoulder to me, on my level, is all. And then upwards. There you go, te ui.
Now put those hands back at the side and go down and make it like your sides of the A.
Kia ora.
Like being a triangle, or you're trying to be a wharenui.
Or a penguin.
Yeah, a korora.
A korora. Kororareka.
Koina te takenga o te ingoa.
He reka te korora ki
He
reira.
reka te korora. Ngā pui are penguin eaters, people.
Penguin eaters.
Anyway, so you put your arms down like this, and now you're doing a ah.
Kia ora.
Okay, and that's our category in whanaunga. So these are the ones that you look after. Okay, I don't have to say they're under you, but look after. So they're, I don't want to say lesser beings.
But so if we plug into whakaruruhau, you are their whakaruruhau.
Anna.
That's why you're an awe to them.
That's right. Ka pai tēnā.
Kia ora.
That was nice. Okay, so that's your aku tamariki.
I'm getting sore arms.
Aku iramutu. Well, look, I'm not going
I'm resting. I'm resting.
Okay, so that's a way to think about your relationships in the o whanaunga. All right? We cover quite a lot,
Yeah, this is really cool.
I roto i tērā.
Aye.
Now should we head into the one?